Hey guys, it's Dr. Rob here with your 2-minute tip this week. Today we're talking about the only 4 things you need to be ultimately healthy. Can you guess what they are? We've talked about it before. They're the 4 pillars of health. All of our 2-minute tips actually encompass one of these 4 pillars in one way or the other. That's because I believe so strongly in them, because they are essential. So as a chiropractor, if I'm working on you, I can give you the best treatment, the best adjustment, the best soft tissue in the world. But if you're ignoring these pillars, you're not going to be as ultimately healthy as you could be. So what are the 4 pillars? What are the 4 things you need to be ultimately healthy? When you stop and think about them, you'll probably figure them out. First one is nutrition. All right. Second is exercise or movement. Third is sleep. And the fourth, a little bit tricky, is stress or your mindset. Now, all of these are pillars because they are all intertwined and intermixed. So if you ignore one, the other ones will be connected. They'll start to suffer as well. So I like to think it's kind of like 4 legs on a table, right? If you take one of those legs away, that table gets pretty wobbly pretty quickly. You can still get away with it. I wouldn't put too much on it, but you can do it. If you take 2 of those legs away, then that table's going crashing down and everything with it, right? So the same thing goes for your health. A lot of people in the new year start focusing on exercise and eating properly. But if you're still not sleeping well and you can't get a full 7 to 9 hours of sleep, it's not going to matter, because your body's not going to respond and be healthy enough to get the benefit out of exercise, which is where you respond best. Or if you're stressed to the max, when you're stressed, your body doesn't even absorb nutrients, and it produces stress hormones called cortisol, which helps the body store fat. So you're not going to be able to lose weight if your cortisol and your stress hormones are through the roof. One of the best examples of how all of this is connected is a research article I read forever ago, where they actually took and restricted people's sleep to about 4 hours of sleep a night for 5 nights in a row, and then they tested their blood glucose levels. All of their blood glucose levels shot through the roof to the point where they were pretty much pre-diabetic within 5 days after they'd done sleep restricting. So what it really means is you could be eating like a monk, but if you're ignoring the pillar of sleep and not getting the proper amount of sleep and you're stressed, it's not really going to matter. Okay? So all of these things are connected. So the biggest reason I'm telling you this is because I want you to sort of think and assess and go, how's my exercise? How's my nutrition? How's your sleep? Pick one to tackle that you need the most. Oftentimes it's the ignored ones, or the stress and the sleep. How can I manage that the best? And go forward, because you're going to see the best results, and it's going to trickle throughout your life and throughout your health and your energy, and you're going to be able to do more and feel better. Okay? Have a great week.